If you create project plans in Excel, then this video is for you. I have seen a lot of people use Excel as their preferred tool for project management. One of the most important parts of any project plan is the Gantt chart. In my early days, I used to prepare it manually. It was very tedious as every time the project plan changed, I had to update the chart manually. However, once I discovered conditional formatting, I realized how easy it is and there is no need for any manual work. Here is one such chart. For a set of activities, we have the start date and the end date. And in the row 3, we have the calendar for the month of February. As I update the dates, the visuals update automatically. In this video, we will look at how to do that. It's very easy as you're about to find out in the next 2 minutes or maybe even less. Now let me first remove the conditional formatting before we move forward. Let's create the Gantt chart from the beginning. Since the visual representation can be for any of the dates, we will select the entire region. Click on Conditional Formatting and New Rule. We will select the option to write a formula. If you're not familiar with how to use formulas in conditional formatting, then I have another video to explain that. Link will be in the description. Getting back to our formula, there are two conditions. The first is that the start date is less than or equal to the current date. Second, the end date is greater than or equal to the current date. When both these conditions are true, we want to color the cell. Since we have two conditions, we will use the AND function. And B4 is less than or equal to D3. And C4 is greater than equal to D3. We need to adjust the references. For start date and end date, we will only fix the column reference so that we continue to refer to the dates in these columns. For the dates in the months, we will only fix the row reference so that comparison always happens with the row that contains all the dates for the month of February. Now let's format, fill, select a color, press OK, and there it is. As you update the dates, the visual updates automatically. I have a slightly more complex version of this chart available for you to download for free. In that version, you can see the planned versus actual and some other details too. If you'd like to get your copy, then please check the description below for the link. See you next time.